traditional and authentic assessment. Assessment a related series of measures used to determine a complex attributes of an individual or group of individuals. So, traditional assessment are tests taken with paper and pencil that are usually true or false, matching type, or multiple choice. They are easier to design and quicker to be scored. Selecting responses, imagine contrive, recall recognition, picture structured, and indirect evidence. So this test given to the student by the teachers to measure how much the student have learned. It is the most common way because it provides valuable information about the student learning. So there are examples of traditional assessment, which is the multiple choice, matching type, fill in the blanks, and true or false. So multiple choice tests are the common utilized by the teacher, schools, and assessment organization for the following reasons. They are fast, easy, and economical score. They look like tests and made us seem to be acceptable by convention. So true or false test. Items that require student to make decision and find out which of two potential responses is true. It is also easy to score and administer, but it is quite hard to find out whether the student really knows the correct answer.
Authentic assessment is the use of alternative or non-traditional assessment or strategies or tools to collect information on students' learning. Instructors and learners focus on communication on right or wrong answers. So, it is also performing a task. So, performance task is any learning activity or assessment that asks students to perform to demonstrate their knowledge, understanding, and proficiency. So, performance tasks yield a tangible product or performance that serves as evidence of learning. So, unlike a selected response item, example, multiple choice or matching type, that asks students to select from given alternatives, so a performance task presents a situation that calls for learners to apply their learning in context. So next is simulation or real life. So a simulation is a recreation of a real-world situation or task which is designed to explore key elements of that situation. So simulations are interactive events in which the environment is simulated, but the behavior is real. So simulation might include role play among students or with facilitators, playing games, recreations, imaginative exercises, and many more. So next is construction or application. So authentic assessment allow more student choice and construction in determining what is presented as evidence of proficiency. So even when students cannot choose their own topics or formats, there are usually multiple acceptance routes towards constructing a product or performance. So obviously, assessment more carefully controlled by the teachers offer advantages and disadvantages. So similarly, more student-structured tasks have strengths and weaknesses that must be considered when choosing and designing an assessment. So last is direct evidence. So authentic assessment offer more direct evidence of application and construction of knowledge. Asking a student to write a critique should provide more direct evidence of that skill than asking the students a series of multiple choice. Analytical questions about a passage, although both assessment may be useful. So examples of authentic assessment include perform real-world task, performance, peer rating or self-rating, journals, and last is the discussion.